Good morning, sir. This is Jim Paul dito from BSM X3 night session. I choose implementing concrete railings with quick response and SOS Morse code signal in rural areas. I choose this because it's a quick response to a patient who experience accident. Concrete railings with quick response and SOS Morse code signals is very useful, especially in rural areas. These railings with device that can detect motion is and get noticeable for the fall of the falling of vehicles in every clip, especially at night. I think the limitation is the transportation. Since it was a rural areas, the impact of this to get noticeable by every riders if there's an accident happening, especially at night. There are many existing literatures on my study, and there are more to enhance and improve. Implementing Morse code with concrete railings could serve as a functional safety features, and we intriguing design elements. I encountered many times an accident, especially at late night at rural areas. We didn't get notice that there's an accident happening near us because of the dark place or ingaw siya. As soon as possible, kay daghan na kayong mga riders, dali ra kayo pagka dali ra kayo sa motor masakyanan. Kinahanglan siya nga dapat madugay sa madali, matuman, then the potential implication of the study is maka provide siyang visual and tactile communication method for individuals or emergency situation. That's all, sir.